Hello everyone and welcome to an update video. So we've got 45 minutes until GDP, so I thought I'd give you a quick little update. So we've taken this was TP1 on the buy, TP2 here, so the all-time high is TP3. So we have the previous video was about premium sell areas and discount buy areas. Now if we just put the period separators on, we can use that to go over what's happened. 30-minute time frame will explain it. So this was yesterday in the New York session. Opened here, pushed down, that's already in a premium sell area. They pushed down into this discount buy area and continue to move up. Nice little retest there before the London Open, and that's why you got the injection towards the upside. Now we move on, what to expect next. Now over here we do have a premium sell area, so all we can do is just drag this over. Let's just pick one of these up and we can drag that over. So that is, no, it's not a premium sell area because it's done in the middle of the Asian session, so we'll leave that one out. We'll leave that out as a premium sell area. What we'll do is we'll take off the period separators and just go for a clear analysis. So we can see here we have got a clear manipulation area runs all the way along there. Just focus on that grey area. All-time high up here. Now everyone will be thinking, yes, we've got to hit that now. There is a nice daily Doge candle there to label it up as liquidity. So what I'm seeing next is if we get a retracement before taking that all-time high, then it is a good setup for a continuation towards the upside. And that will look something like that. I wouldn't be looking to focus on the sell because we made profit off the buy this morning from around this area here. So what I'd be looking for is watching for that retracement. And then if we're down this area within the next few hours, then I'd be looking for the reversal for a continuation up. So this would be a retracement. This would be a consolidation after retesting 3,000. And this would be the impulse move up. So this would just be retesting the top of the consolidation area, followed by a continuation up. And that is what I'd be looking at on gold today. Apart from that, main focus is on US 30, which I'll do for the VIP members in a minute. All the links in the video description if you want to check them out. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.